You're using ChatGPT 5 completely wrong, and it's costing you hours of productivity every single day. The January 2026 update just dropped 8 game-changing features that nobody's talking about, and I'm about to show you exactly how to unlock them. Most people are still using ChatGPT like it's 2023. They type basic prompts, get basic answers, and wonder why AI isn't living up to the hype. Meanwhile, power users are leveraging these hidden features to automate entire workflows, create professional content in minutes, and solve complex problems that used to take hours. The gap between basic users and AI masters is growing wider every day, and you're about to close it. Let's start with the most revolutionary feature that changes everything. Open ChatGPT 5 and look for the new Workspace Hub in your left sidebar. According to OpenAI's January 2026 release notes, this feature allows you to create persistent project environments that remember context across multiple sessions. Click on Create New Workspace and select your project type. You'll see options for content creation, data analysis, code development, and research projects. Choose Content Creation for now. The interface transforms completely. Notice how the chat window now shows a project memory panel on the right side. This is where ChatGPT 5 stores everything about your project, your preferences, your writing style, and your goals. Type in your project details in the Project Brief section. Watch how the AI immediately adapts its responses to match your specific needs. Next, we're activating multimodal reasoning, the feature that makes ChatGPT 5 think like a human. Click the brain icon at the top of your workspace. According to TechCrunch's coverage from January 15, 2026, this feature processes text, images, audio, and data simultaneously to provide contextual insights that previous versions couldn't achieve. Toggle on Advanced Reasoning mode and watch the interface update with new analysis tools. Now here's where it gets incredible. The new template engine lets you create reusable prompt frameworks. Click on the Templates tab in your Workspace toolbar. You'll see pre-built templates for email campaigns, social media content, technical documentation, and creative writing. But here's the secret most users miss. Click Create Custom Template and build your own frameworks that match your exact workflow. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next in the AI revolution. The fourth game changer is collaborative intelligence. See that Share Workspace button in the top right corner? Per OpenAI's partnership announcements, you can now invite team members into your ChatGPT workspace for real-time collaboration. Click Share, enter team member emails, and set their permission levels. Watch as multiple people can work with the same AI context simultaneously, building on each other's ideas seamlessly. Feature 5 will blow your mind. It's called Smart Automation Chains. Navigate to the Automation tab in your Workspace sidebar. This is where you create multi-step AI workflows that run automatically. Click Create New Chain and you'll see a visual workflow builder. Drag and drop actions like research topic, generate outline, write content, and review quality. Connect them with arrows to create your automation sequence. Set up a simple chain right now. Drop in research topic as step 1, connect it to generate blog outline as step 2, then link that to write introduction paragraph. In the trigger settings, you can schedule this to run daily, weekly, or activate it manually. According to early user reports from the ChatGPT community forum, this feature alone is saving content creators 15 hours per week. The sixth breakthrough is real-time web integration. Look for the live data toggle in your workspace settings. When activated, ChatGPT 5 can access current web information, stock prices, news updates, and social media trends in real time during your conversation. This isn't the old browsing feature that took forever. This is instant, contextual web intelligence woven into every response. Turn on live data now and ask ChatGPT about current trends in your industry. Watch how it pulls fresh information and weaves it naturally into strategic advice. The responses feel like you're talking to someone who just read every relevant article published in the last hour. Feature 7 is the personal AI clone capability. Click on your profile picture and select AI personality training. This is where you upload samples of your writing, speaking, or thinking patterns. The system analyzes your communication style and creates a personalized AI version that responds like you would. Upload 5 to 10 examples of your best work and let the AI learn your voice. Once trained, toggle on personal mode in any conversation. Now ChatGPT 5 doesn't just give you generic advice. It gives you advice the way you would give it to someone else, matching your tone, your expertise level, and your decision-making patterns. According to beta testers featured in Wired's January coverage, this feature makes AI collaboration feel like talking to your most productive self. The eighth and final feature is advanced code generation with visual programming. Open the Code Studio tab and you'll see something that looks like professional development software. This isn't just about writing code snippets anymore. You can design entire applications using visual blocks, then watch ChatGPT 5 generate the complete codebase. Click New Project and select Web Application. Use the drag-and-drop interface to design your app layout. Add database connections, user authentication, and API integrations using simple visual blocks. Hit Generate Code and watch as ChatGPT 5 creates production-ready code in multiple programming languages simultaneously. Here's a pro tip that separates the experts from everyone else. Combine multiple features for exponential results. Create a workspace for your main project, set up automation chains that feed data to your personal AI clone, then use the collaborative features to refine everything with your team. This integration approach turns ChatGPT 5 into a complete productivity ecosystem. Another advanced technique is using the template engine with real-time web integration. Create templates that automatically incorporate current market data, trending topics, or competitor analysis into your content. Your templates become living, breathing frameworks that adapt to the changing world. The biggest mistake I see is people using these features in isolation. The magic happens when you stack them together. Your workspace maintains context, your automation chains handle routine tasks, your personal AI clone adds your unique perspective, and real-time data keeps everything current and relevant. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. These 8 ChatGPT 5 features aren't just cool additions, they're the foundation of how productive people will work in 2026 and beyond. Master them now, and you'll have a massive advantage over everyone still stuck in the old way of doing things. Subscribe for more cutting-edge tutorials that keep you ahead of the curve, and I'll see you in the next video where we're diving deep into AI automation strategies that are changing entire industries.